A pair of polar bears. Twin cubs find a home at San Diego Zoo by Joanne Ryder. A pair of polar bears, twin cubs, find a home at the San Diego Zoo by Joanne Ryder. At the top of the world, two little polar bears are found all alone and helpless. A brother and a sister make the biggest journey of their short lives to a new home far, far away. When an orphan polar bear twins are rescued in northern Alaska, wildlife biologists knew the cubs were in trouble. Only 3 months old, the cubs no longer had a mother to protect them, feed them, and teach them how to hunt for food. The twins needed a new home soon. The world-famous San Diego Zoo offered them a home in its polar bear plunge exhibit. The small male and female cubs were safely flown thousands of miles away from their snowy world to a new life in Southern California. Tiny travelers arrive in a safe place where new friends welcome them and watch over them. Before the cubs could settle into the polar bear plunge habit, they had to stay thirsty in the aquamarine in the zoo hospital. The San Diego zookeepers fed them and took good care of the twins. The keepers prepared a special rich formula to help the cubs grow, and they did. The cubs were small for their age, weighing just 12 and 17 pounds a week. They came to the zoo, but soon they began gaining weight an average of 14 pounds a week. A hungry cub laps and laps a tasty meal and licks herself clean. Nose to nose, twins sniff and touch each other's furry face, familiar and friendly in a different place. The twins share a strong bond. Sometimes a loud sound or a strange object scares one or both. Then they quickly ran to find each other. The polar bear twins in the wild would behave just in the same way. A reassuring touch helped each feel safe, and the cubs were confident to explore again. Climbing and chasing, carefree cubs make up their own bear gangs. It's good to rest together in a cozy spot. The little cubs slept in small puppy crates and enjoyed climbing on them too. The keepers added other objects for the cubs to encounter. They wanted to feel comfortable with logs, balls, dirt, and things they would later find in the polar bear exhibit. The twins were interested in everything. They even liked to eat the dirt. Cautious but curious. The cubs pause, sniff, and take a chance. Two brave wet bears discover how much fun it can be. Discover how much fun swimming can be. When the twins first saw their small pool in the zoo hospital, they were scared of it, but soon the twins were swimming and splashing away. All polar bears are very fine swimmers in the wild. Many roam the ice-covered seals all winter long, hunting for seals. Their Latin name, Ursus martinus, means sea bear. Cubs finally made their big move to the polar bear plunge exhibit. They had big bedrooms now. They were here fed. Senior animal trainer Joanne Simerson fed the cubs using a string. The cubs learned to spread and when eating. Otherwise, the big male cub would have taken his sister to share. He loved to eat. The bears were introduced to their new habit a bit at a time. Their bedrooms, then a small area outside the new things they saw. The blue sky overhead streamed the most amazing. Moving outside, white bears look up, gazing at the sky, so big, so blue. Young explorers play, follow the leader, and learn about new places step by step and scent by scent. The large polar bear exhibit was made to reassemble the Arctic land in summer. The bears could climb hills, logs, dig in the dirt, sunbathe on the flat rocks. Look at the cow, the athlete. He loves playing ball, tossing things, and making lots of noise. After much thought and care, the zoo named the twins. The names reflect the twins' Alaskan homeland and the native Inuit people living there. Tagwet has face round and bright like the full moon. She is graceful, graceful, and a thinker. While Kyle belly flops, Tagwet names her and points her toes, diving with bear style. The bear's new home had a stream and a huge pool. The water was chilled, unlike the small pool at the zoo hospital. The cold water surprised the cubs at first, but as soon they loved a cool drip after playing or sunbathing. After a swim, lively cubs roll and roll, changing from white bears to brown bears. The twins liked to roll in the dirt. Large windows in the exhibit allow visitors to view the bears, and the curious bears watch the visitors too. The 2-inch arclight glass lets cubs and visitors meet safely. Broad paws touch smooth glass as small, eager hands reach towards them. Clever bears turn small gifts and surprises into tools and toys. The zoo set up a special program for the twins. The goal was to let the cubs think on their own and entertain themselves. The bears enjoyed finding unfamiliar objects, large bones, stacks, barrels, palm trees, seaweed, and snow, and seeing what they could do with each. Furry cubs celebrate their own snow day, tasting snow, enjoying its coldness, and slipping and sliding down on their slippery tummies. Still playing, friends, a sister and brother have grown into size and wisdom, sharing discoveries and adventures in their new life. All done.